We are connecting to the Filipino masses with less money, with less makeup, with less false eyelashes, with
Correct.
with just organic moisture. Ibig sabihin, Karen, you are being outcompeted. At alam na namin
Mm.
yung ganyan mga strategy ninyo, kayong ABS-CBN. Because
Real talk.
we grew up during the network wars noong 90s at ganyan din ginagawa ninyo, ABS-CBN at GMA sa isa't isa noong panahon na yon. Sinisiraan niyo yung isa't isa
Isa't
dahil
isa.
gusto niyo makuha ang puso ng taong bayan. And that is exactly what you're doing right now. What you have been
Yeah.
doing in the 90s. Hello? Sa tingin niyo ba may amnesia kami na hindi namin alam pinagagawa niyo sa isa't
Natatandaan
isa?
yun.
Mas
Correct.
sinisiraan niyo ang isa't isa na sinasabi niyo yung isa ganito, yung isa ganito. Right now, sinong target ninyo? Ang target niyo ngayon, yung kakompetensya niyo sa social media. Because we don't need millions in order to give the Filipino people, in order to convince them about what we're saying. We only have authenticity and moisture. And it's all organic. We don't need your fake lashes, fake makeup, and fake personality, Karen.